Sacred Power Corporation is the largest Native American-owned renewable energy system integration manufacturing company in the country. And we're very proud to say that. We say that tongue-in-cheek also because we're the only one. So while we're the largest, we're the smallest, we're the best, we're the worst, but we focus on the positives.
We're representative of a variety of different solar type technologies. We do manufacturing, we do installation, we do design, we do some training, we provide project oversight. So there's a lot of different things that we do here, and I think that we can get a little bit more explicit into that as we go on.
We did some soul searching for a great name. You know, we wanted to have a name with impact, a name that reflected our Native American heritage. And I think we hit on a real good one with Sacred Power. And what we say is that we use the strengths of the Father, the Son, to protect the gifts of the Mother, the Earth, as part of our creed. What we're doing here at Sacred Power is we're virtually creating energy. You don't have to dig up the ground. You don't have to take the water. We can do it right here in the factory.
What we're doing here is building our SB800 systems. They are for rural areas, mainly for Indian reservations. And this is where we start all our manufacturing. We put together panels and mount all the boxes on, do all the inside components, electrical work.
Right now we're looking at the inside of one of our units. Okay, so you got an AC inverter here that takes current out of the solar panels, transforms it, sends it to the battery. You also have a charge controller here, controls the amount of charge that the battery receives at a time. Also over here you have another transformer, which converts the power from a DC to an AC to be used in a house.
This is a 2700 watt system that's on top of our Luz Energy shop that we just installed a week and a half ago, 2 weeks ago. We also do pole mounts and ballasting systems, and pretty much pole mount, roof mount, stuff like that.
It's really interesting to see how we get power from the sun and turn it into energy.
It takes several different disciplines to really come up with the most efficient, most creative systems that will give you the maximum power, and you have to understand the environment that you're putting these systems into. It's, I think, a challenge, and I think a very interesting industry to get into, and I think it will hold people's interest throughout their careers.
You know, don't limit yourself. When people think of solar energy, they're thinking, well, I have to be mechanically or electrically inclined or what have you. But there's pretty much any background that can be applied to solar.
You have all the accounting groups. Like any other business, you would have the human resource groups. You, of course, have the management, the owners, of which I am. You have the procurement people, you have the CFOs, the project people, and then you have the technicians that work on the floor that do the manufacturing, and you have technicians that are actually doing the installations up on the roof. In order to get these jobs, you got to have salespeople, and these salespeople have to be technically qualified to go out and sell these types of systems. So there's a lot of different things that you can get into when you're talking about renewable technologies.
Well, first off, we look for character. We want people with passion, people that are excited about the work that they do, excited about being here.
We want to take solar mainstream. We don't want it just to be an environmental or a climate change issue, which it is, but we want to take it to mainstream America, and that means everybody should have solar on their homes, especially in New Mexico.
Eventually, everybody will have it on their roof. Just like here in the Southwest, everybody has a swamp cooler on their roof. Pretty soon, they'll all have a swamp cooler and the photovoltaic or solar hot water panels.
In life, do what you want to do. Go to that dream. If it's in the solar industry or the renewable energy industry, go to that dream, because you'll be very, very happy, and you'll be very, very good at what you do. You'll be very successful.
All you listeners right now, when you get through high school and get your technical training, or you go to college and get your master's degree and your PhDs in electrical engineering, you come see us, because we want to talk. We want to see what great ideas you have and how we can revolutionize this industry now. So set yourself, get your training, and then come see us.